What's up, guys? Let me show you guys on how you can do top-down analysis with your smartphone on trading Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. I'm going to show you exactly on how you can do that. You can see the market respect the level, and the market right now is going up to $65,000. So now let me clean all this area, but let me just show you the first thing you need to do if you want to do the top-down analysis. Try to like this and share it to people. Just go to the weekly time frame. All right, go to the weekly time frame. So you can see right now on the weekly time frame what you need to do. All right, make sure you turn off turn this particular right this. Let me just I want to change the candle so that you can see the everything clearly. All right, let me change the candle to a line candle so that I can see. I've already, can you see, this is my swing low, this is my swing high on weekly, and this is my weekly swing low. You can see the market is respecting that area, so that's the key level. All right, the market failed to break. So now let me change this candle to line. The line will give me, and see, you can see this is how I draw my line. You can see. So try to share this video to people. This, I'm just showing the secret strategies of most traders are using right now, so that you can see it clearly and see the market is downtrend, but you must mark all the key level, this recent support, whatever. So now this is my weekly, you can see. So when I go back to my daily time frame, you can see on the daily time, you can see the market touch this area. On daily candle is very strong. Right, let me show you the area I'm trying to show you so that you can see the market respects this area. Okay, so I'm trying to show you the area so that you can understand. So the markets touch this area you are seeing. The markets also touch here like 2 times. This is a daily candle, recent support level on daily candle, and the market is trying to respect that area. You can see, so you can see. Then I try to draw my zone on that area, daily recent support. So after you, then let me just change it to normal candle. You can see the market respect that area. The market respects that area, and the market, spike up from that particular zone I draw. So I now go to my 1 hour as well. You can see the market respects the area. You can see the market is trying to go up right now. So guys, so then let me just go to, go to 30 minutes. You can see, so after this candle confirmation, I saw confirmation candle show me that, let me just go and just buy right now, and I took my thing down below this the candle. Then I'm targeting to the next area. So try to like this video, share it to people. This is how you can do top down analysis with your smartphone without talking to without disturbing yourself. Try to like and share this video to people. Thank you. Bye for now.